Hi, my name is Caio Sampaio. I'm a career expert and certified professional resume writer, and I'm here to tell you a secret. Recruiters receive on average 250 resumes for every job ad, but only spend 6 seconds reading each one of them before deciding if they want to keep going. So you must grab their attention immediately, and the best way to do that is with a resume like this. It looks excellent, summarizes all the information in one page, and it's also very easy to read. So it's everything recruiters want. And the good news is that you don't need to be a designer or a professional resume writer to craft something just as impressive. Because today I'm going to show you the tool used to generate this resume, the Zety Resume Builder. You can use it to craft a perfect resume effortlessly, whether you are a seasoned professional or still seeking your first job. And the first step is to visit Zety.com and click Try Our Resume Builder. Then create your resume now. Clicking this option will take you to the resume template gallery where you can pick your favorites. But don't worry too much about this choice because you can change the template later at any time you want. And regardless of your pick, you can change fonts, colors, spacing, and more, ensuring the result matches your imagination and surpasses your expectations. And we guarantee that whatever you create, the results will always be ATS friendly. So let's choose the template used in the sample you saw. Now you have two options. You can either create a resume from scratch or upload an existing one. Let's pick the former. Here you fill in your contact information, full name, phone number, and email. There's no need for a home address unless the job ad specifically asks for that. And to continue, now you must inform the Zety Resume Maker of your document's purpose, so it can offer you a tailored experience based on your needs. Let's assume you wish to apply for a new job. So it's time to fill the resume template with your work history. We already have the information here from the sample you just saw, but to add yours, you only need to provide your job title, employer, and tenure. Then you need to write down your responsibilities and accomplishments. The Zety Resume Builder offers a list of options depending on your career. Search for your professional title and see the suggestions. Pick your favorites and tweak them as needed. These were all written by certified professional resume writers, ensuring their best quality. And if you still need some further guidance, that's okay. You can come up here and click on Tips and see more advice written by these certified professional resume writers. They will guide you to ensure your resume will be absolutely impeccable. Now let's proceed to your resume education section. And the first step is telling the Zety Resume Builder of your highest obtained degree. In the example you saw, it's a bachelor's. And just like with your professional experience, the Zety Resume Builder offers a very straightforward process. All you need to do is fill out the fields you see on screen, and down here you can also see many suggestions of extra information you can share to make your resume stand out. In the case of the sample resume I shared, I include honors and dean's list. And speaking of lists, it's time for you to list your skills on your resume. And if you're unsure how to impress recruiters, the Zety Resume Builder offers several suggestions based on your career. In the example here, a teacher, we can find many skills for this profession. And you can also grade your skills from 0 to 5. And doing that brings us to your resume summary. Because now that you have recapped your career highlights and strengths, you can use them to craft a resume introduction that will catch the recruiter's attention. You can write one from scratch or use tailor-made suggestions by searching for your professional title. And you can edit them to ensure they will fit your needs perfectly. And now if you're keen on getting some extra credits, you can also add some bonus sections to your resume. In the sample resume I shared, I used certifications and languages. And oh wow, your resume is looking good indeed. That's because the Zety Resume Builder uses the Smart Apply exclusive technology that guarantees your resume will outperform other candidates. And now it's time for the final step. Here you can review your resume, perform a spell check, and even change its color, font, and template. Once everything looks good, all you need to do is click Finish Resume to download your resume as a PDF. And surely it's gonna look just as good as this one you can see here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more tutorials that will teach you how to make a perfect resume. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Thank you very much, and until next time, take care.